Needle-free sample collection from a urine catheter. With SARSTEDT's Urine Monovette, no equipment with a cannula is needed when collecting samples from a urine catheter. Remove the stopper from the tip of the Urine Monovette. After clamping the tubing, connect the Urine Monovette directly to the urine catheter collection site. Press firmly to pierce the membrane at the collection site. Pull the piston back towards the bottom of the Urine Monovette and wait until no more urine flows in. Disconnect the tube from the collection site. Close the Urine Monovette and make sure not to leave a gap between stopper and screw cap. Break off the piston rod. If required, proceed with the green tube with stabilizer.